Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and I'm back with this gorgeous wedding guest makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. So I've tried to film this video with all makeup products under rupees 500. So let's begin. Exception is my skincare because I do not compromise over that. Firstly, I started by using the minimalist toner. Post I cleansed my face. After that, I used the vitamin C serum from Nykaa Skin RX. All of my skincare is fragrance free and that is what completely suits me. So yes, once I've patted the serum nicely in and let that seep into my skin, I follow it up with a moisturizer. I love this one from Plum. It is their green tea moisturizer. You can also get additional 15% off if you use my code Nidhi15 on Plum's website, and yes, that's an affiliate code. You can find all of the purchase links mentioned in the description box. And I love this sunscreen suggested by my Dermac. This is the Bello Photo Stable sunscreen. I really love it. You can see how strobe like effect this sunscreen gives to my face. If you're having very dry skin or dry skin type, I would highly recommend you all to try out this sunscreen. If you do have oily or combination skin, then you can also try out their gel variant. And then for my lip balm, I use the Plum Candy Mints lip balm, and I really like this lip balm. You can see by the deep hole dug into the jar. Okay, so once my skincare is done, moving on to makeup under rupees 500. So starting up with my primer, I use the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. This is a silicone based primer. This just makes my makeup slide very easily onto my skin, plus it makes it long lasting. For my foundation, I mixed in 2 shades of my Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. So I am in between 332 and 238 rich tan, so I mix both of them. And then I use this new pack blending brush. This is in the number 009 for blending out my foundation. Oh my god, this brush is so good. This brush is kind of dupe of that Bobbi Brown brush, and so I grabbed it ASAP when I saw it. I'll try to find link of all of these products. Basically, I use just 2 face brushes. One is this one and the other one is a powder brush ahead. So these aren't under rupees 500 exactly. I think this one is, the second one isn't. But if you add them for your entire face makeup, if you just need 2 brushes, bro, that's like super affordable, right? So yes, once I am done with blending out my foundation, I then used my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade medium to highlight the high points of my face and underneath my eyes. And then using the same pack foundation blending brush, I blended out the concealer. You can see how flawlessly this concealer sits onto my face. This just looks so effortless. I know my base was looking so good that day. So yeah, Nykaa's Pink Friday sale is going to be live from 24th of November. So you can grab all of these makeup products during that time. They are going to be slashed at super low prices. Then for my brows, I use the Faces Canada brow pencil. I think it is in their Ultime Pro range. And this is a really good creamy brow product. I really like it. So I just brushed my hair with the spoolie given to the brow pencil and then filled the sparse gaps. That's all I like to do for my brows. And I also clean my brows because I haven't got them thread in a long while. And yeah. For setting my eyebrow hair in place, I use the e.l.f. Wow Brow Gel. It is a very good brow gel. It also has fiber in it, so just makes them look more fluffier and bushy. Once I'm done with that, I just used my Fit Me concealer in the shade Golden to clean out my brows. And for carving out my brows, I used the Wet n Wild flat brush. This is linked in the description box below. And yeah, it was very simple carving out my brows with this kind of brush, and that is what I like. I also spread out the concealer all over my eyelids so that I get a nice canvas for the eyeshadow coming up next. And before I go in with my eyeshadow, I just buffed the concealer out once again with the foundation brush. Then for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Nude Awakening 10 pan eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild. Now I just use the plum shade all over my lid. I simply packed on the shadow first because my concealer is still wet. The shadow sticks onto my lid in a good way, and later on we would blend the harsh edges. For that I'm using PAC 271 blending brush. This is a real good brush, guys. So basically I just mixed both the transition shades from the palette and blended out the outer lines of my eyeshadow, just so as to give me that soft look. And yeah, that was very easy. Then with a flat brush I use the same plum shade underneath my lower lash line, so that I get a nice depth added there as well. So like whatever goes up goes down, so that is the rule. And then with the same brush I picked up a black shadow and then focused it on the outer third of my lower lash line. In this way I add more depth to my eyes. And then with the same blending brush from PAC I just diffused the harsh edges. I also used the brush number 381 from PAC. This is a pencil brush, but it is great for blending as well with a precise point. So I just used a champagne color from the palette to highlight the inner corners of my eyes as well as my brow bones. And then with the same black shadow I drew a false eyeliner, like a soft eyeliner. And then I used Nature Studio Kajal from Plum in my waterline, and I also tight lined with it. I love this kajal. I swear by this kajal. I love it so much. And just smudged it out basically, so that there shouldn't be any harsh edges left. Then for my mascara I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. And during the Pink Friday, this one is available at 259 rupees. Like, oh my god, I saw so many products at 70%, 35%, 40% off. Like, I was just amazed. I personally am gonna be checking out with so many products. Let me know what's on your wish list too. Okay, so for my powder I use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and I love this new brush from PAC. This is the powder brush I was talking about. This is in the number 111. This is such a good versatile soft brush for blending out your powder, for adding your blush, contour. This is just so versatile. I really like it, and it is super soft. So yeah, I just use that. And a small cheat I did over here is use my favorite lip and cheek tint. So this one is from Just Herbs. I don't know, I'm just so obsessed with cheek tints and liquid blushes these days. I just love using this. So I applied the shade Mahogany onto my cheeks and blended it out with the same blending brush. Oh my god, this looks so good. And then for my blush I'm using this one from Maybelline Fit Me's range. This is quite sheer is what I feel, or maybe it is not that prominent on my skin tone. Would work great for fairer skin tone, but other shades from their range are pretty good because I've swatched them in the store. And just to make it more prominent, I topped it with Nykaa's Malibu Barbie blush. Again, this is not under 500, but the Fit Me one wasn't really popping up, and so I used that. Then for my highlighter, my oldie, my fave, Molten Gold from Master Chrome Maybelline. I love it. I use PAC 131 brush, my fave highlighting brush at the moment. This brush is such a dupe of the Anastasia's highlighter brush. I really love its shape, and so I just love how this applies my highlighter without making it look like a broad streak or like a Milky Way sitting right on the high points of my cheek. This just applies it so perfectly and without giving me those harsh edges. I love it. And yeah, I basically just applied this highlighter on the tops of my cheekbone, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, chin, and lightly underneath my brow bone. And I've completely forgot bronzing up my face, so I'm using the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer. This is in shade number 03. You can also get additional 20% off on Sugar Cosmetics if you use my code NIDHI20. I would have all of the details mentioned in the description box, so you can use my code if you want to support me. And yeah, once I'm done with that, I just love doing even more because this is a very soft kind of contour slash bronzer and works perfectly for my skin tone. The earlier shades won't really show up that well, but I'm really happy with this particular shade that Sugar has come up with. Even their face palette in shade number 3 is just perfect for dusky skin beauties. And then for my inner corner pop, what I used is the Nicka K's Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow, and what I did is applied it in the inner 1/3 lower lash line. So I just drew a small line and then smudged the outermost edge into the eyeshadow so that it looks more blended. And then just to set my makeup in place, I use the Swiss Beauty's makeup fixer. This does smell slightly like lemons, and I also topped it up with my e.l.f. Set and Mist setting spray, and that's it. I added my jhumkas, my bindis to complete the festive makeup look, like perfect for this wedding season, right? And then for my lipstick, I use the Wet n Wild's Chestnut lip liner. I love this. This is the OG lip liner, like Nidhi's fave. If you've been following me from a long time, you know how much I love this. So I simply lined my lips with this lip liner and then filled in my lips with Miss Claire's lipstick. This is a newer one in my collection, and yes, that's it. That is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, then hit that like button. You can find all the products mentioned in the description box below, and I shall meet you all soon in my next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.